Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to resize an image in Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, resizing an image is a fundamental skill that comes in handy for various purposes. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's dive right in. As you can see, can't resize the image. Click on the image and press Ctrl+T. Then you can resize the image. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.